Welcome, guys. So we have this question. We want to see how we can find the total surface area of a triangular prism as well as the volume. Okay, so we can start with the first question. There are actually two. So on both of them, we are going to cover total surface area and volume. So we can begin with the first one, and it reads as follows. The diagram below shows a triangular prism in which angle GFH is 90 degrees. GF is equal to JK, which is equal to 8 centimeters. FH is equal to KI, which is equal to 15 centimeters. GH is equal to JI, which is 17 centimeters. And HI is equal to 20 centimeters. Then the question that we're being asked now is to find the total surface area. Now, I have told you that, yes, the question is asking us to find the total surface area, but we're also going to go ahead and find volume. So I'm going to start with the total surface area, right? I will start with the total surface area. So let's start. The total surface area, we get to see how we are going to do it, all right? We need to see what we are going to do. Right. So total surface area is equals to, we need to find the area of each one of these sides here, the area of each one of these sides. Now, if we look at the triangles, I'm sure you can see that we have got two triangles here, okay? We have a triangle, which is this side, and then we have another triangle here. So we need to say, we can first of all begin with, the area of a triangle is 1/2 multiplied by h multiplied by b and by h. Then I'll multiply this by 2. Why? Because we have two triangles and both of them have the same measurements like we saw here. This is also 8. Okay. Then what are we going to do? What we are going to do is, now we have to say 1/2 multiplied by the base. What is the base here? Our base is 15. From this point up to this one, that is the base. Then the height of this triangle is 8 here. We put 8. Okay? Multiplied by 2. All right. So this 2 will cancel this 2. So we're going to remain with 15 multiplied by 8. This is just for the two areas here, okay? This is just for the two triangles, sorry. This is just for the two triangles. I hope that is very clear. So we need now to multiply 8 by 15 and see what we are going to get. You can as well try to multiply that, then you let me know what we are going to get. So we are going to get 120. So remember, total surface area of all these surfaces, we need to find the area of each one of them. All right? So we have found the total surface area of these two triangles. Take note of that. We have found the total surface area of these two triangles. All right? Then we now have to go ahead and find the area of one of these side. Now, let me go to this one. This. We have this other side here, this one. Okay, this one. What is the area of this one? Look at it. It is the length. The length, it has got 20. All right. If the distance from this point up to this one is 20, so even this one here is 20. So it is 20 multiplied by 8 because this side we have 8. Okay? This side we have 8. So it is, we are going to say it is 20 by 8. What do we get? We need to multiply this one. So we are getting 160. Then, after I have done this one now, I hope you are following. After we have done this one, now we have to see the other one that we are going to deal with now. Okay? We're going to see the other one that we're going to deal with now. So I'm going to deal with this one. Look at this. This one now, this side. We haven't dealt with this side, isn't it? That is very important. You need to take note of that. This one now. And what is there? It is going to be 20 multiplied by, it's going to be 20 multiplied by 17 is equal to, you also multiply this one. 20 multiplied by 17, you are going to get 340. All right? Now, if you are following, there is only one side or one face that is remaining here. Are you able to see that face? Are you able to see that face? Okay, like I said, if you're following, there's only one face that is remaining here. And that face is this one that is the base, this one that is at the bottom here. This one. This is the one that is remaining here. What is this one? So you will discover that this one, it is also 20 multiplied by 15. 20 multiplied by 15. 20 multiplied by 15, which is equals to, what do we get? 300. So now you have to see at this point that now we will be adding all these, the three of them here, to get the final answer, which is the total surface area. Total surface area. So total surface area is equals to, we add those now. So we have 300 plus 300 plus 340 plus 160 plus 120. So this is going to give us 920 centimeters squared. Centimeters squared. This is what we're going to get here. I hope you get that one. Then now we come to volume. We have to come to volume. When we come to volume, we have to understand that now we need to get rid of this one. Volume is very simple. Volume is very simple. So we're not even going to have challenges on volume. So volume is equals to, what do we always say? We always say is equals to the area base multiplied by the height. Okay? Then the base of this one here. Okay? The base, we always look at it from one of these triangles is what we call a base. One of these triangles, the area of this one of the triangles is what we treat as our base. So we can say the area of a triangle here, which is this one. This is what we treat as our base. Take note of that. Our height is this longest side always. Our height is always this longest side. Okay, this one. This is always our height, this. Okay, so we find the area of one triangle. Is that clear? Then we multiply by L. This is the area. The height is what we always call like the length. I hope that is clear. The longest side, this one, is what we always. So we can say now 1/2 multiplied by the base, which is 15. Remember, we had already done this. Multiplied by the height was 8 here. then multiplied by, I told you the longest side, which is 20. So we can, this here, so it will be 15 multiplied by 4. You know where 4 came from. It's 8 divided by 2 multiplied by 20. Okay, so you'll get to multiply this one and tell me what you're going to get. It will be 15 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 20. So we have 1, 2, okay. This is it. I hope you're getting it. I hope you're getting it. It's as simple as that. This is how simple it is. This is how simple it is. You get that? This is how simple it is there. That's what we're just supposed to do. Do you get it? Yeah. So that is what is supposed to be our answer. That is what is supposed to be our answer. In case you don't understand properly, you can get back to me. I'll be able to explain again. You won't have challenges. We are here to give you the lessons that you will be able to understand fully. So if you don't get it properly, let me know. So I want you to do the second one. I also want you to do the second one. That's what we encourage when we are teaching. If I do both of them, then you will have nothing to work out yourselves. Okay? You will have nothing to work out yourselves. So you just need to read this here nicely. AG is 4 there. You are given the height. Then BC, from B to C, it's 8. That's all. That's even very easy. This is very easy. So for this one, you can only find volume. For this one, you can only find volume. You can't find the total surface area. So you know that in this case, volume, okay, we can as well do it together. We can as well do it together. You know that volume is equals to area base, like I told you. Let's call it this side. Area base multiplied by, let me now change here and put this letter L, which is actually in this case 15, isn't it? Then the area base. So we need to find the base, this triangle. We need to find the area of this triangle. So you know that the area of a triangle is equals to, this is what we say, isn't it? Multiplied by 15 there, 1 over, what is our base? Our base of this whole triangle is, the base there is 8. Then the height is 4. Multiplied by 15. This into that, it's 4. 4 by 4 by 15. Just let me know what are we going to get. So we're going to have 16 multiplied by 5240 centimeters cubed. Centimeters cubed. This is what you're going to have. All right. I hope you understand. I hope you have followed. If you want to get in touch with us, please, you can use these numbers. We shall be able to attend to you. Yeah. And please, you must have only those of you that want lessons. Okay. We do not attend to people's questions for free. We don't do that. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know, you boys and girls, if you'll be able to understand this so that we know what to do.